Silicon Valley is in panic mode. For the last few years, we assumed that to get the smartest AI, you had to pay OpenAI or Google billions of dollars for compute. We thought the king of AI would always be an American giant. But something happened last week that changed everything. A Chinese lab called DeepSeek released a model called R1, and it is doing the unthinkable. It is matching, and in some cases beating, OpenAI's most powerful reasoning models. And the craziest part? It's open source. You can download it, you can run it, and you can see exactly how it thinks. Today on Info AI Pro, we are investigating DeepSeek R1. Is this truly the GPT killer we have been waiting for? We are going to test its coding skills, its logic, and most importantly, its cost. Because while OpenAI charges you $20 a month, DeepSeek is practically giving this away for free. If you're a developer, a student, or a business owner, you need to watch this video until the end, because the hierarchy of artificial intelligence just collapsed. Let's dive in. First, let's understand what R1 actually is and why it is scaring competitors. Most AI models we use, like GPT-4 or Claude, are essentially next token predictors. They guess the next word based on probability. But R1 is different. It uses chain-of-thought reasoning via reinforcement learning. When you ask it a hard question, it doesn't just blurt out an answer, it thinks. If you use the chat interface, you can actually see a drop-down menu called Chain of Thought. It pauses, it explores different paths, it creates a visible internal monologue to check its own work before it speaks to you. For example, if you ask a complex math riddle, you'll see it write, "Wait, that formula might be wrong, let me try a different approach." OpenAI's O1 model does this too, but OpenAI hides that thinking process behind a thinking label. DeepSeek R1 shows you the process. This transparency is a massive deal for researchers and developers who want to understand why an AI made a specific decision. It's the difference between a student giving you the answer key and a student showing you their work on the blackboard. Now let's put it to the real-world test, coding. This is where DeepSeek R1 is claiming the throne. I ran a benchmark test comparing R1 against the industry leaders, Claude 3.5 Sonnet and GPT 4.0. I gave all three models a complex Python task. Build a fully functional snake game with a score tracker, a high score database, and a pause menu, all in one single script. Here's what happened. Usually, models make small syntax errors when writing long code. Claude 3.5 Sonnet did great, as expected. It is a coding beast. GPT 4.0 struggled a bit with the pause logic. It created a bug where the snake kept moving while the game was paused. But DeepSeek R1, not only did it write the code perfectly on the first try, but because I could see its reasoning trace, I saw it catch a mistake before it even finished writing. It literally thought, wait, the pause variable might conflict with the main loop update, and it fixed it in real time before generating the final code block. That is human-level self-correction. For a model that is significantly cheaper to run, this level of accuracy is absolutely mind-blowing. This brings me to the most important feature of DeepSeek R1, something OpenAI will never give you. You can run this model offline. This is the real power of open source. You don't need a massive supercomputer. If you have a decent gaming laptop with an NVIDIA GPU or a MacBook M1, M2, or M3, you can run R1 right now. Here's the step-by-step on how simple this is. You download a free tool called Ollama. You open your terminal and you type Ollama run DeepSeek R1. That's it. The software will download the distilled version of the model, usually the 7 billion, 14 billion, or 32 billion parameter version, which fits perfectly on consumer hardware. Why would you do this? Imagine you're a developer working on proprietary code for your company. You cannot paste that confidential code into ChatGPT because it violates security policies. Your data goes to OpenAI's servers. But with a local instance of DeepSeek R1 via Ollama, the data never leaves your laptop. You have an expert coding assistant that works without internet on a plane or in a secure facility. This capability alone makes R1 more valuable than GPT-4 for enterprise users who care about privacy. Let's talk about the business side, the money. If you're building an app using OpenAI's API, you know it burns cash fast. DeepSeek has declared a total price war. Their API costs are a fraction of OpenAI's. We're talking about being 20 to 30 times cheaper for similar performance. How did they do this? They used a technique called knowledge distillation. Essentially, they took their massive, super smart model, DeepSeek V3, and used it to teach smaller models how to think. It's like a Nobel Prize professor teaching a class of brilliant students. The result is that the smaller, cheaper models are incredibly smart because they learned from the best. This mixture of experts architecture means that instead of activating the entire massive brain for every simple question, the model only activates the specific experts needed for that task. This efficiency is why a relatively smaller lab from China can compete with the trillion-dollar giants of Silicon Valley. However, it's not all perfect. I want to be fair and balanced in this review. We have to address the geopolitical reality. DeepSeek is a Chinese company. While the model is open weights, it has been trained on data that adheres to Chinese regulations. I tested it on various political topics. While it is surprisingly open on many things, on specific sensitive geopolitical topics regarding China, it will often refuse to answer or give a very scripted, safe response. If you're using it for creative writing or political analysis, you might find these guardrails annoying. But for math, coding, science, and logic, which is what 90% of us use these tools for, this bias is completely irrelevant. Math is math, no matter where it comes from. But it is something you should be aware of if you plan to use it for sensitive cultural tasks. So how do you make money with this? This is the Info AI Pro strategy session. Because DeepSeek R1 is so cheap and good at code, the barrier to entry for building SaaS or software as a service apps is now zero. Here's a business idea you can start today: autonomous debugging agents. You can use R1 to act as a back-end agent. I've seen developers setting up workflows where R1 acts as a 24/7 customer support debugger. When a user reports a bug in an app, the error log is sent to R1. R1 thinks through the code, identifies the error, and suggests a fix, even sometimes writing the patch, without a human ever touching it. Because the API costs are negligible, your profit margins on this service are huge. If you are waiting for a sign to start your AI automation agency, this is it. The tools are now affordable enough to actually build a profitable business. So, is DeepSeek R1 the new king? If your kingdom is coding, logic, and math, then yes, the king has arrived. It offers 95% of the performance of OpenAI O1 for 5% of the price. That is a value proposition that is impossible to ignore. I've already switched my coding workflow to DeepSeek, but I want to hear from you. Are you willing to switch from ChatGPT to an open source model, or does the privacy concern keep you away? Let me know in the comments below. Don't believe the hype. Test it. If you enjoyed this deep dive, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Info AI Pro. We track the future so you don't get left behind. I'll see you in the next video.